Hello, children. How are you? Well, to speak about a little bit of netiquette, it means the rules um, to behave in a virtual session. So why is this important? Well, because we want to all behave well. Let's see some of the tips. We have different tips, and I want you to look at them. Okay, first of all, one of the do's. Well, the same rules of the classroom applies in live sessions classrooms. So you can see in the picture, children have to behave well. Now, what else? Number two, be on time. Please do not arrive late. It's like if you were to school. So children need to arrive on time. Number three, well, have all the materials ready that the teachers have said. For example, your books, your pencil case, and everything you have in it. Okay, what else? Number four, when you enter in the classroom, leave your camera on and smile. It is important. Say hello to everybody. You can wave your hand, and in that way, everybody knows that you are there. Number five, silence your microphone when you are not participating. So if the teacher allows you to open your microphone, please do it. So the teacher will probably leave the microphone on and off for you if you don't know how to do it. But you know, we all in the classroom are listening to you, and there's no need for you to yell. So you can be nice and use a very nice tone of voice. Number six, you can say please and thank you, right? Very good. Oops, it went far. Number seven, please pay attention to the teacher and to your classmates. So whenever you want to participate, you can raise your hand, as you can see the kids in here. Number eight, your parents should be closer for assistance, but not in front of the camera. The only one in the camera should be you. Number nine, participate by raising your hands, as we said before. Number 10, if something's funny, you can laugh. That's great. Number 11. Did you see what happened? Well, number 11 is wear nice clothes. Don't wear pajamas. Ay, ay, ay. Can you imagine wearing pajamas? No, 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 not good idea. Number 12. Well, enjoy the class. And when the class is finished, say goodbye. You can wave your hand, and then in that way, everybody knows that you are leaving. Thank you so much for following these rules in this program of Netiquette.